Silver price is going up. Are buying opportunities slipping away? Possibly. And you might need to change your stack if you want to continue stacking your silver. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Silver Britches. And if you're new to my channel guys, make sure you give me that thumbs up before you leave and hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate that. It helps my channel grow. So in today's video guys, I want to talk to you about silver price is going up. Are buying opportunities slipping away? Now me, you guys know, if you've seen any of my videos in the past, you know I love my sovereign government bullion. Now, if I want to continue to stack silver, I have to make adjustments. I have to make changes in order to keep stacking the way I want to stack. Now, I could either just stop altogether, just stop buying silver, and that would be fine with me. Stacking my cash is not a problem, and waiting to buy again whenever the time presents itself is fine. But you know what? It's hard to let go. It's hard to stop. So why not change the way that it is to now? Why not go ahead and make some tweaks to the way that I stack? Now, yes, I have plenty of silver eagles. I have plenty of maples, plenty of junk silver. Matter of fact, junk silver is something that you still want to continue to stack. I mean, a lot of people, that's all they do is stack junk silver. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. It is your cheapest bet is to get junk silver. But I'm going to have to adjust the way that I do it if I want to continue buying silver. Now, there's a couple ways that I can go. If you know me, I don't normally buy bars. I'm going to have to dive into buying some bars. So I'm currently shopping, looking around for some 10-ounce bars and sizes that are larger. Now, the higher bar size you buy, the better cost average you're going to get. So that's one avenue that I'm looking at. Another avenue that I'm looking at is, say, your generic silver like these right here, that one right there. Those are your cheapest bets also. Your generic silver rounds, bars, and whatnot. Those are your best bets right now. Now, say silver goes past that threshold where generic silver is over $20. That's kind of a breaking point for me. I don't want to buy generic silver over $20 an ounce. It just seems like a waste to me. You know, I mean, I understand you don't beat me up in the comments. It's just, I understand, you know, it just feels like it's not a good buy after $20 an ounce. I mean, it really does. For generic silver, it just doesn't feel right at all. None whatsoever. So if I want to continue to put ounces away, you know, I will have to do it slowly, you know, methodically, and just try to find something, you know, in that price range. Try to find it privately, you know, on other sites like Instagram, you know, OfferUp, you know, things like that, you know, Craigslist, you know, eBay, or AKA Feebay. It's a crapshoot, really. You know, you may win an auction, you may not, and you have to wait so many days on that. So I don't like waiting around and being tied to an auction and just lose it right at the end. So that's a no for me. So I'm going to continue looking out also for like collector pieces like this right here, like the kookaburra, things like this. I don't mind paying a little extra for the kookaburras. These are very beautiful coins. They do well once they get some age on them. Once they find, you know, that couple years go by, these bad boys, they go very high in your prices. So these are actually an excellent investment to get. If you're going to buy collector coins, you want to buy something that's going to last the test of time. You know what I mean? And kookaburras are a great way to do it. Your swans, pretty much anything from the Perth Mint is a good buy, in my opinion. And with silver price being high or elevated or whatever you want to call it, you want to look at your collector pieces and you want to pick and choose which ones you think are going to do good. Now, I will tell you this, the Black Flag coin, the second coin of the series, you guys all remember the Queen Anne's Revenge from last year. It's getting ready to come out. Now, that could be a very, very hot coin. So if you have some extra cash on hand, while everybody is over there talking about the new Silver Eagle coming out, you might want to pay attention to that coin coming out. That coin, the predecessor, the Queen Anne's Revenge, it did extremely well on the secondary market. If you got in on that coin whenever it first came out, you did well whenever you flipped those. Or if you're still holding them, get ready to go ahead and flip it, because the second coin is coming out in this series and the price is probably going to go even higher. So that is something to keep your eye on as well. Now the bars, like I said, I got this from the Yankee Swap. That's the only reason why I have it. Now the other A-Mark bars right here, I got those because they're vintage bars. I got it from my LCS. He had them and I just wanted them. I've always wanted them. They're pretty cool little bars and they're nice, thick, chunky little 1-ouncers. So I'm definitely going to be looking out for things like that. That's what I really want to stick to whenever the price of silver is going up and I don't want to pay over the spot price. I want to look for those collector items. I want to, go ahead and rein those in. And I know a lot of people who watch my videos are just straight stackers. And that's fine, man. That's, if you guys want to continue to buy, that's fine. I'm not going to dissuade you either way. It's your money. You use it however you feel comfortable using it. But for me, this is the way that I'm going to stack going forward. I'm going to go ahead and break the way that I've been doing it, which is buying strictly government bullion coins, and I'm going to stack 100% for weight. Now, I'm going to purchase some bars that are recognizable. Things like your Inglehards, things like your RCM bars, things like that. Things that people all know about and trust. And that's what I'm going to put my focus on to add more weight to my stack. And then once that price does subside, once it does come down, and it may take a while, guys. I mean, really, seriously, if this thing starts taking off, you're looking at maybe 2-3 years before things get back to the way that they were. So you're going to have patience. If you're going to hold your cash, you're going to have patience, because I think this is just the beginning of something coming for silver, which is rare. We all know it's been in the dumps for a long time, and now is its time to shine. If it doesn't shine now, I've said this before, if it doesn't shine now, it's never going to. So after this 2 or 3 years passes, if silver is not above $50 an ounce, you need to ask yourself that question. Do you need to keep stacking this? Or do you need to shift your resources into something else? That's a question that you're going to have to answer on your own. I am not a financial advisor. I can't answer that for you. I'm just telling you the way that I'm going to stack going forward. I feel that it's the best way to do it. I still want to continue buying silver. I just don't want to buy the premium silver that is outrageous prices. So I'm going to steer clear of those, and I'm going to focus on things like junk silver, my bars, and my generics. And it pains me to say it, but that's the way I'm going to do it from now on, because it just makes more sense at this current climate, at this type of situation. And I want to get in on some collectible silver too. All right. Oh yeah, I can't forget the gold. I'm still going to buy some gold here and there. In fact, I got some more in the mail on the way to me. I will bring that unboxing to you. That's coming probably in the next video, so stay ready for that one. That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, keep grinding on your stack. Be careful out there. Be safe. All right? That's going to do it for today. Keep grinding on your stack.